Hello students. Today also I am going to explain new lesson. It's mean unit 4 your textbook waves and their application. First of all, I would like to explain what are the example for the waves. There are the many example for the waves. What are them? Sound waves, light waves, in addition to water surface waves, as well as earth waves, as well as we can take as alpha, X-ray, ultraviolet, microwaves. They all are the example for the waves. When regarding these waves, there are the advantages as well as disadvantages to the waves. First of all, I would like to explain for you what are the advantages to the waves. Mainly, waves are important for our communication process. In addition to, waves are important to the plants for their photosynthesis process, as well as micro oven, light microscope. Such instrument also important for the waves. In addition to the light waves are important for the function of the human eye. It's mean waves are important for the functions of some instrument too. In that way, there are the many waves, many advantages to the waves. So, next let us examine about the what are the disadvantages to the waves. There are the different disadvantages. Can you recall tsunami waves, water surface waves, uh, huge waves? These huge waves are make the huge damage to the human and their properties, as well as there are some electromagnetic waves such as the X-ray, ultraviolet, gamma. These waves they contribute to make cancers, some mutations, as well as eye cataracts. They all are the we can take as the disadvantages, as well as uh, you may be heard about that ultrasound. Some ultrasounds damage to the human ear. So these are the disadvantages through the waves. Then you had already learned about that what are the example for the waves, what are the advantages to the waves, as well as what are the disadvantages to the waves. Then you have to know what is the waves mean. What is the waves mean? Really, waves mean process of transferring the energy from one place to another place without transferring the particle in the medium. What does the wave mean? Process of transferring the energy. Process of transferring the energy from one place to another. That is the meaning of the wave. Example, the light energy and heat energy. Both are reached to our earth from the sun. Now suppose about that one, how they reach to our earth. Light energy reach to our earth from sun as light waves, as well as heat energy reach to our earth from sun as infrared waves. So waves mean energy transferring method from one place to another. That is the simple meaning of the waves. Did you understand what is meant by waves? Okay. Next I am going to explain that classification of the waves. There are the two types of the classification of the waves. The main criteria for the one classification is the according to their origin way. Second one is the behavior of the particle in the medium when they are propagate. First of all, I would like to explain the first classification. According to their origin way, waves mainly we can be divided into two groups. What are them? One is the mechanical waves, other one is the electromagnetic waves. Now I am going to explain what is the mechanical wave. What is the mechanical waves mean? Let us see about what is mean by mechanical waves. If any wave is originated by vibrating particular matter over again and again, such kind of waves we introduce as mechanical waves. Example, sound. You can see the sound waves by vibrating something over again and again. Another example for the mechanical waves are we can be considered as water surface waves, earth waves. They all are the examples. Next, let us examine about what is mean by electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves mean if any wave is originated by vibrating electric field and magnetic field at two perpendicular planes are called the electromagnetic waves. So you know the electric field and magnetic field should be vibrated or oscillated at two perpendicular planes. In order to that, new waves are originated. It is we known as the electromagnetic waves. They possess the electric and magnetic properties. That is why they name as electromagnetic waves. In this video, you can see the red and blue color showing the electric field and magnetic field, while green color show the electromagnetic waves. Next, let us see about the next classification. What is the next one? What is the main criteria for the next classification? It was the when any wave propagate through a medium, what is the behavior of the particle in the medium? So, according to that, waves can be divided into two groups. What are them? One is the transverse waves, other one is what? Longitudinal waves. First of all, let us examine about what is mean by transverse waves. Transverse waves mean when any wave is propagate through a medium, if the particle of the mediums are vibrated perpendicular to the propagation direction, such kind of waves we introduce as transverse waves. Then let us see about what do you mean by longitudinal waves. When any wave is propagate through a medium, if the particle of the mediums are vibrated parallel to the propagation direction. When any wave is propagate through a medium, if the particle to vibrate to the propagation direction, that waves we introduce as the longitudinal wave. Now let us see about how do we demonstrate the longitudinal waves and transverse waves in your laboratory. At our laboratory, these waves we can be demonstrate by using flexible wire coil. This flexible wire coil we introduce as the slinky. So Now I am going to explain that how do we demonstrate the longitudinal waves and transverse waves by using the slinky. When you apply a parallel force to the slinky, you can be demonstrated longitudinal waves, as well as when applying perpendicular force into the slinky, we can be demonstrated transverse waves. When applying parallel force to the slinky, we can be demonstrated the longitudinal waves. Right. In addition to, when regarding these longitudinal waves and transverse waves, there is another important thing also. When they propagate through the medium, particles show the vibration, while that in addition to these particles in the mediums form some sounds or phases. When regarding transverse waves, when they propagate through a medium, particles of the mediums are displaced into the upward as well as downward. So this particle of the mediums are displaced into the upward with places we introduce as the crest, as well as particle of the medium displaced into the downward from their center. Such kind of places we introduce as the throat. It means when transverse waves are propagated through a medium, crest and throats are formed. Crest and throats are formed. Then let us examine about the when longitudinal waves are propagated through the medium, what happens. At that moment you can see the particle of the mediums are contracted while the particle of the mediums are expansion in some places. If the particle of the mediums are contracted with places, we introduce as the compression. If the particle of the mediums are expanded with places, we introduce as the rarefaction. It means when longitudinal waves are propagated through a medium, they form the compressions and rarefactions. Thank you.